Yo, it's your homie Mo Hustle, and this is the third episode of Third Coast Eats. And I got the special guest right here, the homie Papa Smurf.
Hey, Papa Smurf, Mr. Assacker, aka STS Sweet Tooth Smurfy, aka Smurf Marley, all of that.
That's right, Papa Smurf and Poppa Burger. We're gonna go check this out. We're gonna meet a movie director from Trap Plane as well. The Lonestar Slab, homie, he's the one who invited me here. So, you know, we had to check it out. Everybody keeps talking about it. They said that everybody knows about this place, and I still haven't tried it.
You know HB always get it poppin' at the Poppa Burger. Welcome.
Yeah, man, I appreciate you for inviting us over here, man. We're gonna check it out, see what they got. But tell me a little bit about it though first, cause you know, introduce me to what's going on.
All right, well, welcome to North Central Texas. You know what I'm saying? Home of Young Easy. I know y'all been hearing him going crazy. And anyone from the North Central knows about Poppa Burger. This is where everyone with Lita used to walk them when they were little babies when the mama was at work. It's like the Dairy Queen of the hood, you feel me? Got the burritos, cheese sticks, tenders, also egg rolls, and the Poppa Burgers, of course.
Well, you know we got Papa Smurf at Poppa Burger.
What is really gonna get poppin'? Cause I'm known to get it poppin' at the Poppa Burger.
You gonna be the man to show us what it is?
Hey man, I'm the one to do it, man. You know, I happen to be a professional in this department.
Hey, what's up, man? What's up? How you guys doing?
Hey, what's going down?
So I see you guys taking a break, man. It was kind of a perfect opportunity for me to come talk to you guys, man. I always see y'all on social media all the time promoting Trap Plane. So can you tell me a little bit more about that?
Yeah, definitely. So Trap Plane is a series about these CIA agents. This is Danny Trevino.
Hey.
Danny plays Agent Barry Sands, and he basically has to make a decision. Does he want to, keep playing the game with government, go rogue and protect the drug dealer?
Oh, okay.
You can buy Trap Plane right now on Amazon Prime. Watch it on any device. Support the independent film movement we started.
Yeah, I seen one of my buddies, Pablo. On there. Yeah. That's the home.
Yeah, he plays one of the narco traficanters.
Yeah, and currently we're filming here in Houston on the set of Sponsors right now. It's our new series that is coming out, and we actually we've been filming this one for a while, and we're getting some really good shots here in Houston.
It's coming out real good, and we're finishing it up right now. That'll be the 5th project that I've done. Danny's worked on 3 of mine: Murder Book, Trap Plane, and now Sponsors.
Yeah, that's pretty dope, man. I seen ESG was on the set right there.
Yeah.
Dope, man. H-Town legend.
So I also host a TV show in Austin, Texas called Eat Austin Eat, and so I had to come support you guys. I know other food places, good food is good food no matter where you go. So if you're ever in Austin, Texas, guys, come on down and we'll take you to some good places to eat for sure.
Definitely, man. And I know you're from this side of town, and I know, have you ever been here before?
Yeah, I've been here a few times.
Man, tell me a little bit about it.
This place here, man, been here like forever. Forever, before they put the train, the bridge, and all that stuff. Yeah. And it's still standing and still surviving.
Well, I'm with it, man. We're about to go check it out and see what we get into. It's my first time.
The namesake is Poppa Burger. You got everything here. See the side items. That's really what HB be messing with. The fries, onion rings. They got, Frito pies, nachos, hot Cheeto pie. What y'all know about that? Hood special jalapeno poppers, and these ain't the ones from Jack and the Crack. You feel me?
Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, man, good. How about yourself? So Poppa Burger's been here for over 60 years. It's a family business. We basically sell all types of food: burgers, tacos, fries, everything, you name it. We used to be famous because there used to be the Pan American dance club over there next door, so we used to get a lot of business from there as well. So yeah, that's us.
I seen some stuff over there like 15 cents burgers back then.
Yes, we used to sell them 15 cents, the shakes, fries, 15 cents hot dogs. So So yeah.
So what is your best dish? Like if I was gonna try it?
Something like a double meat, bacon, cheese, jalapenos, fried with chili and cheese, a large chocolate shake.
Well, that's what I'm gonna go with. That's gonna be my order. We're gonna go ahead and let these guys order too. And here you go, you guys. Who's doing that?
So I'm gonna go with the corn dog. I'm the variety guy. You know, variety is the spice of life. So give me a corn dog. Give me a burrito. I'm gonna go with a chili dog. Also, let me get one of those world famous POPPA Burger shakes. What else I'm gonna get? What else can even that thing out and get me right?
French fries.
You know what? Yeah, let's do a chili cheese fry. Let's get it right. Let's keep it classic.
And your name, I'm sorry?
My name is HB Dab Fellas. DABFELLAS on Instagram. Yeah, dig. And you know what's so dope about POPPA Burger? Bring everyone, invite everyone. It's like $2, $3 an item. Ball out, guys.
I'm gonna get the number 9. Okay. And then I'm gonna get that with fries and a Mexican Coke.
Houston Reef.
All right, we're gonna switch it up here. So we're gonna go with the shrimp basket, strawberry shake, and the French fries with chili cheese.
It's hard for Wayne up here, POPPA Burgers over here, you know what I'm saying? It's going down right across from Castle Domingo. It's been here before I was born. I ain't gonna tell my age, but it's going down, man. Y'all need to come up here and eat. The food is fair, you know what I'm saying? You get enough for your buck. You feel me? Hey, can I get the shrimp basket? Do that come with fries? Okay, the shrimp basket fries, make sure it's a lot of fries and everything, and shake. Chocolate shake.
Chocolate shake. And your name?
Hardy Boy Wayne.
There you go, man. This food is ready for you, man. Shake, the burrito, no cheese, corn dog, chili dog, strawberry shake, fried with chili and cheese. Everything in there, man. Enjoy it, all right?
They know how to treat a king around here. You know what I'm talking about?
Thanks, man.
Time to get fat food, man. Get out, eat on, feel me?
Chili dog, burrito, chili cheese fry, corn dog, best shakes in the game. Come get you one.
You gotta shake it though. You gotta shake it.
Better when it's summertime. That heat'll help melt them down for you.
You got them cheese fries killing it. This is for the munchies, by the way. Like anybody who, you already know what it is with this place. Every hood got one, but this is just like the heart of the north side right here, man. It's what it is. POPPA Burger ain't nothing like it.
$20, you a king at the POPPA Burger. You know what I'm saying? It's where even the smallest, meekest man can be a king. You know what I'm talking about?
You got the number 9 too?
I don't know. It's the one with the 2 patties with the bread in the middle.
Yeah, you know what that's called though.
What is?
That's a Northside Big Mac for you. You feel me? Everybody in the Central got a POPPA Burger story.
Someone almost fell bust their ass right there when the Metro Rail was coming. A couple of drunk people, you get a lot of them walking up and down.
Yeah.
It's the Northside, man. Slab riding up and down the street. It's a Sunday night. It is Sunday, right?
Yeah, man. You know you gotta put that little ketchup on there right there, make it juicy.
Oh, this man's creative.
You gotta get saucy with it.
I feel sorry for this guy later. You had the hood Big Mac, you had the hood chili and cheese fry. This ain't Jack and the Crack, this is the hood chili and cheese fry.
Definitely a spot you gotta stop by. You definitely gotta come by here. This is the hood spot. It's official. Come down here, it's beneficial.
Okay.
There it is, you know what I'm saying?
Visit POPPA Burger at least once.
Look.
Best place to be.
And then the whole time, I ate the whole burger and there's still a lot of shake.
You never ending shake.
Like I said, you gotta come in the summer when it's, you know, when it melts down real good.
They say the 2 things out of the North Central that are the realest. The shakes and the women.
The shakes and the women. The shakes and the women.
I'm trying to earn some brownie points with the North Central ladies.
Oh, man.
Come out in those chanclas.
What do you think?
I'll be back for sure.
You'll be back for sure? You had some shrimp, right?
I had the shrimp, they're gone. Just tell you, they were good.
It's brutal, man. It's
It's like this shake right here. Damn.
Coming from San Antonio, where they know how to do food.
You can handle it pretty
Got the
good.
Latino approval.
Oh yeah,
too,
now
man.
we're gonna have to go to that Mod House that just reopened again over there in San Antonio. Yeah, that's where we going. We coming to Mod House, best believe it.
Club Paradise, I'm coming. I miss you. Been a while.
Shake was amazing, man. Fridays go by. Chicken tenders, they all gone, man. Out the chain.
It's going down, man. Poppa Burgers, man. Poppa Burgers. They got the shrimps up in here. I used to come here when I was little. Catch that 60 hard to ride through here before they put that rail up there. It's in the way, but it ain't gonna stop nothing. We coming. Poppa Burger.
These be the only type of place where you can sit there and hold a fried shrimp, a hot dog, chili cheese fries, and a shake, all in one, man. Poppa Burger, baby. No pain to go down.
See them chili cheese fries though, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna tell y'all like this. Don't mess up like I did. I went with the regular one. HB ain't always gonna be here to save you. Yeah, still got the Coke, still got the shake.
Third coat seats. We out here.
Thank y'all for gracing us with y'all's presence.
And I'm still not done with this shake.
This gonna take about an hour to finish, I'm telling you. That's gonna be like in a whole hour. You ain't gonna finish the milkshake for a whole hour. It is what it is. We here. Brought you to another place. Stay tuned for episode 4 because it's coming. It's coming very soon.
HB Dad, fellas.
Mo Hustle.
And you know we got it popping at the Poppa Burger. Scope out the episode we just did and new episodes to come.
Hashtag third coat seats. If you see it, let me know if you come up here.
Risco Funk.